I am currently on hold with DJI support, and I don't normally make videos that aren't informative or entertaining, but I just wanted to say, what's up with DJI support hold music? Could it be worse? I mean, are they only able to have like a 7 or 8 second clip that doesn't even loop on time? And they're busy, so I've been on hold for 30 minutes, 20-30 minutes off and on. DJI, I would like to offer some music for free. I will give you some music if you will use it in your hold queue. You can have it. You can have it. We'll just call it a free license. You can use it indefinitely to ease the suffering of customers like me who have to sit on hold. How about this one? It's not bad, huh? How about this one? I can hold to that. Okay, how about something like this? Right? I'm gonna offer to do the world a service. DJI, you can use one of these pieces of music for your hold queue. Just reach out to me and it's yours. Please get in touch. I'll send you some tunes. Alright, back to holding.